is a super quick tutorial to show you how to do star stitch in embroidery. Here is a close-up of what star stitch looks like. So you can see on the left that I'm just doing the little X in the middle so that these big threads don't flap all about. There's actually some tiny little X stitches just to secure them. The needle comes up anywhere in the fabric and goes down on the opposite side, like one side of an X, then up again and down twice to form the other side of the X, then up and down again to form a T. I also do 2 tiny X stitches in the middle to tighten the star.
So thank you for watching. Please go to www.hoj.nz.
Happy stitching.